I used to get really angry when I first got into this energy work about 12 years ago. As I started to release things in my body, I would have these bouts where I just get so frustrated, and I couldn't understand it. It was cognitively, I couldn't understand the anger because there was nothing for me to be angry about. I later realized, of course, that that was just anger releasing from childhood. I was exceptionally angry as a boy because I was always getting beaten. I was always getting, verbally abused, however you want to see it. It was challenging. And I would kick, especially when I got to be a teenager, I would try and push back, and then that didn't work so well. There was times I'd put my fist through the door, or, I'd smash something up. And at some point you learn to internalize that because you can't keep destroying things. But even as an adult, I remember in my early 30s, I was so angry with my partner at the time. And I picked up a mug, and instead of smashing it on the floor, I smashed it on my head, and I ended up with a huge cut and pieces of porcelain stuck in my skull. And one came out like 5 years after. I sat there one day and this piece of porcelain came out of my head, So that's how much we hold on to things. I was physically holding on to something I'd smashed into me. But anger is stored in the liver. One of the things for men, of course, is that we will drink a lot to numb the anger we're feeling. But the problem is that it becomes counterproductive in a lot of ways, because we'll drink, that releases the liver or helps to relax us, and then the liver releases some part of what it's doing as it's trying to detox, which also lets go some of those memories in whatever way, and we become angry, certainly if we haven't dealt with it. So kind of vicious circle. But next door dog's just come in to say hello. Hello, Lily. So what we need to do is actually release the liver. A very simple way is put your hands on your rib cage like this, and you can sweep like this. So you're going to release your stomach, your liver, and your gallbladder by doing this. Just a simple sweep. And if you look up the Chinese, 6 Chinese healing sounds, there's more to this, but we can also release the gallbladder and the liver, which we start over on the right hand side. We take a hand, so my elbows are tucked in like this. Take your hand like this. These 2 points here, you've got your stomach on the left and your gallbladder and liver on the right. Just come into that point, put your hand down and twist. Just in and twist. And what I do is tend to hold that rib. So I hold it here, tuck my elbow in, bring my shoulder tight so that I'm locked into that position there. You can take your left hand and connect it to your neck and to the fascia on the back of your head there. Pull in your navel towards the spine and pull up on as if you're going to stop yourself from going for a pee. And then breathe in 3 times through the nose and out through the mouth like this. Squeeze your bum cheeks together. Lean forward a little bit. Pull your chest, shoulders back. Feel the stretch into this gallbladder liver area. 3 in through the mouth, out through the mouth. And then just go back to breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just take your mind back. Close your eyes for a moment. Take your mind back to when you were younger and when you had these bouts of, if you had bouts of anger. Or any time in your life where you had anger. Just notice that anger arises innocently out of conditioning and programming. It's a natural response to stress and to conditions placed upon you. And you can just let it go. Just have that intention today to let that go, and take a nice deep breath in. And as you let go, just be kind and know, it doesn't matter what your background is, who you are, what you are, you can let anger go as easy as that. And at any time in your life you get to feeling angry, use this simple sweep in there. Be gentle with yourself. Know that anger arises innocently as a result to stress, and that stress may not be now. It may have started sometime much earlier in your childhood. Okay, hope that helps.